Hi YouTubers. Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble the Ruger 9E. It's fairly quick and simple. First thing you do, make sure there's no clip in it and unloaded. Everything's unloaded. First thing you need to do is slide the slide back and lock it into place. Next thing you need is a punch. I'm going to use a 332. You're going to get this pin out right here. And to do that, you go to the other side, and there's the other side of the pin. All you gotta do is push it through, then remove the pin. Then slide the slide back and let it come forward. Then just pull the slide right off. Next thing is, you take your spring out, then your barrel will slide right out. On reassembling, you slide the barrel back into place and slide it back. Then you get your spring. You'll notice each side is different. You have a nice slick and smooth side, and on the other side you have a plastic piece with a hole in the center. The piece with a hole in the center will go towards the end of the barrel. You put that in first, and you push the spring back into the groove on this barrel right here. Next thing is, just slide the slide back into place, pull the slide back, lock the slide back into place again. Then you get your pin that you removed, your very first step, and just slide it back in. And you have to slide the slide back to put the pin in, otherwise the pin will not go back in. I used the punch set I got off of Midway, USA. It's made by Wheeler. I just bought this set last week. This is my first time using it. I'm very happy with it. I've bought several $100s worth of supplies and gun parts off of Midway, USA, and I've never had a complaint with them. They treat me great, and I'm going to continue buying from Midway, USA, because their parts and gun parts are just the best in my opinion. When cleaning, I use Hops gun oil and Hops gun cleaner. Hops, I've always used Hops on all my firearms. I've never had a problem with them, and the gun cleaner and gun oil works great. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.